I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. This course is perfect for anyone that wants to learn more about PHP. It's a fast-paced course ready for beginners to learn the basics of writing PHP code. Learn about variables, loops, functions, conditional statements, and a whole lot more. All of the source code is also included within the course to get you started quickly. Explore PHP coding, learning the basic syntax used to write PHP applications. Find out more about how PHP works and how you can write your own applications. This course is designed for beginners. It'll walk you through learning the very basics of PHP coding. Learn about how to set up your own PHP environment and prepare to write your first PHP code, all within this course. How to apply comments within source code, how to output PHP values for web users, explore variables and how they work within PHP, arrays and what they are used for and how they can hold values, operators used to manipulate variables, and making your code more dynamic. Discover the power of conditional statements. Learn about all the different ways you can use loops to save you time. Find out more about functions and how they can help you write code better and quicker. Source code is included, as well as links and resources and information about how to set up those resources. This course will help you get started with PHP, and by the end of the course, you'll be creating your own PHP applications. This course covers all the fundamental core concepts needed to get started quickly with PHP. Learn and practice the code presented within the course to discover what you can do with PHP. PHP is one of the most powerful and popular programming languages in use today. It's flexible and allows the developer an easier way to learn programming. PHP is everywhere, and learning more about how to use PHP and write PHP code is an in-demand skill. I'm here to help you learn about PHP and ready to answer any questions you may have. Start coding PHP within minutes. Let me show you how.